Hi, Annie.
Hi.
What are we making today?
Muffins.
Tell the people to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey, Forkers. Today we're going to make some...
Muffins.
I call these Bob muffins because they're oat bran and banana. Reverse that. Banana, oat bran. That's really it. They're not named after anyone human in particular. So what do we got here, Annie? Lots of ingredients. So here's what you're going to need to make this stuff. You're going to need 2.5 cups of oat bran, half a cup of ground flax, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, the juice of 1 lemon or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 large apple grated, 6 brown bananas lightly mashed. It's okay to leave some chunks in them. Get a little flavor, a little texture. 1/4 cup of walnuts chopped, 1/4 cup of raisins, 3/4 cup of water. You're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine all of your dry ingredients into a large bowl. Mix that stuff up super well. Squeeze the juice of the lemon onto the apple and the bananas mixed together. Add the walnuts and raisins and water. Now mix the wet and dry ingredients together into one bowl. Mix that stuff up really well until it's nice and combined, right, Annie? Then we're gonna pour equal amounts into a silicone muffin tin. If you don't have a silicone, then you're gonna have to use some kind of light oil around the inside of a metal one, but get silicone if you can because it makes a huge difference. Put equal amounts all into 12 different silicone muffin tins. Bake for 22 minutes. Check it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. Let them sit on the counter for a few minutes just to cool down a bit, and then pop them out. Put them upside down on top of a cooling rack because I find that they're a bit soft on the bottom, but they're crisp on top. So if you put them on the cooling rack, it lets them kind of dry out a little bit on top and not just get so mushy and get a weird indent on the bottom. And then you're done. These things are dense and super delicious. They're a super healthy and great snack. They freeze really, really well. We like them, eh, Annie?
Yeah.
And I will say, they don't last a lot of time because it's mostly banana. So what happens is after about a week or so, they're gonna start to go moldy. So if you're not gonna eat them right away, pop those babies in the freezer. All right, what do you think, Annie? We're gonna have one of these for a snack later? All right, thanks for checking this out.
Don't forget to subscribe.
That's my girl!